Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to manage our Amazon Fire TV stick with the cell phone through the Amazon Fire TV app. The first thing we have to do, of course, is to download the Amazon Fire TV app on our smartphone. You have it available on both Android and iOS. Once downloaded, when we open it, the first thing we will be asked is permission to use Bluetooth. Next is the local network permission to be able to use the basic functions. Now it asks us if we want to search for devices. And here, if we want to activate or not the notifications. Now, as you can see, the mobile is already directly starts to search for devices and, after a moment we see the Fire TV that we have connected at home. As I said, make sure that both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Once it has found it, we will click on it. It appears to us connecting. And now it will ask us for a 4-digit code that we will have to enter. It is 7258, so we go to the cell phone and enter 72558. There it is. As you can see, it's linked correctly and we can now use our cell phone as a remote for the Amazon Fire TV stick. Basically, as you can see, we have practically the same functions as with the conventional remote. We have the arrows to move around the Amazon Fire TV and then we can also go down, up or, if we want to get to any of the options, we can give it directly, for example, settings. And the central button is the enter button, to enter the different options. Apart from the conventional use of the remote control, it is true that we have some quite interesting options when using the cell phone. Like, for example, when searching. If we hit search on the Amazon Fire TV, we go here to the search box. Instead of having to be selecting the letters, we can press the keyboard up here. Open us a keyboard and be able to directly type the search, as you can see, without having to be pressing the keys above. Something much more comfortable than having to be pressing key by key. If we open the keyboard, we will be able to pass directly what we want to write in any search. And then, to finish, there is also a pretty cool trick that is to control it instead of with the directional arrows, with a touch control. To do this, what we will do first will be to leave here and go down, to the section More. Here inside we go to Fire TV Control and at the top we have to disable the option Direction Control. We deactivate it, we go back down to Control. We reconnect the Fire TV remote and, as you can see, the controls have disappeared, that is, have disappeared what are the directional arrows and the OK button. In this case, as you can see now, what we will have as if the device is tactile and we can control it by sliding up, down or sideways. Even when we want to just tap it, it will go wherever we want it to go, which, as you can see, is a pretty convenient way to operate the Fire TV. Well, guys, this is as far as the video goes. As always, I hope I have helped you. If so, do not forget to leave me a like, which is super important, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell to not miss anything. For my part, nothing more. As always, a pleasure and until the next video.